Legacy Vehicles. Today I'm going to show you about our company, Legacy Vehicles. Legacy Vehicles is a company run by my mum and dad. We help people buy or sell steam engines, but we do sell other things too. If you're looking to buy an engine, you can find lots on our website. That's it. Steamrollers, miniatures, a couple of miniatures. We've been selling a lot of full-size steam engines recently. This Borough Aberdeenshire traction engine has just been sold. We have this Lycoma build steam car for sale. We've had a couple of these Lycoma build cars in recently and must admit they are great fun. Although built for steam traction world kits, no two have been the same, and with this one I'm particularly impressed how well the engine runs and ticks over even at low speeds.
Go on. Do a bit more.
The twin-cylinder engine has the upgrades that were developed by Steam Traction World after that. The epic Land's End to John O'Groats run. We also have this Evelyn Importer RC10 for sale. Extensively restored and rather rare. One of the only handful remaining, this 10-ton roller features the early overheading slide valve design of a cylinder block. It managed to evade the gas axe for over 40 years, eventually being rescued from Harwick's yard in the late 70s. This roller wants for nothing and offers the new owner the rare opportunity to have many years steaming. Our family really loves steamrollers. My granddad has 2 of them, and we have one too. I also want to show this awesome Garrett Showman's engine. We've actually got a sale agreed for this already. Make sure to look out for my next video. I'm going to show you all the miniature engines we have for sale. Don't forget to like and subscribe!